Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a ceiling fan with a light fixture. For this job, we're going to be using a battery powered drill with a Phillips tip bit. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the mounting screws which are located at the top of the fan. After you get those mounting screws loosened, go ahead and grab the fan blades and kind of twist and pull down. After you do that, you're going to take your wires and unscrew your wire nuts. Now you're going to take your new fan, put it in position on the hanging bracket, go ahead and connect your wires. After your wires are hooked up, you're going to take the excess wire and wrap it around the bracket. Now after it's hanging, go ahead and tighten your screws up. And there you have it. That's how you can replace your ceiling fan and light fixture. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.